Welcome to Polish for Kids. Learn Polish words and have fun. Let's go. You have the same birthday as your brother because you were born together. What are you? The correct answer is
Bliźnięta.
How do you say aunt in Polish? The correct answer is
Ciocia.
How do you say children in Polish? The correct answer is
Dzieci.
How do you say brother in Polish? The correct answer is
Brat.
Your uncle gives you a birthday present. Which Polish word means uncle? The correct answer is
Wujek.
What is the Polish word for baby? The correct answer is
Dziecko.
You visit your grandma on Sunday. Which Polish word means grandma? The correct answer is
Babcia.
You're introducing your whole family. Which Polish word means family? The correct answer is
Rodzina.
What is the Polish word for sister? The correct answer is
Siostra.
What is the Polish word for sibling? The correct answer is
Rodzeństwo.
Which family member is older than your mom and dad? The correct answer is
Dziadek.
How do you say grandpa in Polish? The correct answer is
Dziadek.
How do you say parents in Polish? The correct answer is
Rodzice.
Who is your mom's mom? The correct answer is
Babcia.
Which Polish word means grandma? The correct answer is
Babcia.
Who is your dad's brother? The correct answer is
Wujek.
Which Polish word means dad? The correct answer is
Tata.
Your parents have a new baby boy. What is the Polish word for son? The correct answer is
Syn.
Who is your brother's sister? The correct answer is
Siostra.
What is the Polish word for twins? The correct answer is
Bliźnięta.
Which Polish word means cousin? The correct answer is
Kuzyn.
Which Polish word means daughter? The correct answer is...
Córka.
What is the Polish word for wife? The correct answer is...
Żona.
How do you say husband in Polish? The correct answer is... Which Polish word means grandchildren? The correct answer is...
Wnuki.
Which Polish word means relatives? The correct answer is...
Krewni.
What is the Polish word for son? The correct answer is...
Syn.
Which Polish word means family? The correct answer is...
Rodzina.
What is the Polish word for uncle? The correct answer is...
Wujek.
How many did you get right? Like and subscribe for more Polish quizzes.